So this is Word Module 6, merging Word documents. So the textbook project had 2 videos, and that was submitted with the completed merge letter. This is another part of the textbook project, and it's creating labels. So go ahead and choose File, New, and select Blank Document. And within this extra assignment, there is a access file that you need to open and save in a location where you save your documents, because we're going to need to be able to retrieve it. So make sure you download it and save it from Blackboard. So go ahead and choose Labels, and then choose Start Mail Merge, and choose Labels. Labels are where you peel them off and put them on envelopes. The one we did previously was Avery US Letter, so you need to scroll up and select Microsoft. And there's 2 that say 30 per page, and that's 30 stickers that we would peel off per page. The first one shows the height 2.63 and the width an inch. We want the second one. We want the height an inch and the width 2.63, so that there'll be 3 columns. So go ahead and click OK. Now, if you don't see these lines indicating each of the labels, click Table Tools Layout and make sure View Grid Lines is selected, because right now it's hard to see, so I would click View Grid Lines. Then let's go back to Mailings, and we're ready to get our recipient list. So we're not creating one completely from scratch, so select Recipients, use an existing list, go to wherever you would have saved it on your computer. And I think the book had you call it Labels Data Source, but I just called it Labels Data, which is fine. Click Open. And you do have next record in all of them except the first. You didn't do anything wrong. Everything's fine. And then these all lit up, so that's good. But let's go to Edit Recipient List, and these are all the recipients, all the records. We didn't have to type anything. How nice. Scroll over, and in country, you see the one that's Canada. We're going to click the down arrow and select just Canada. Now, when we are in here, there is ascending and descending order. We're not going to sort that way. We're going to go into sort from below, because it's a refined sort. So click Sort, and it says sort by what, and for some strange reason they want you to sort by zip code order, and then if 2 records have the same zip code, then look at their last name. And then click OK, and it puts them in order. And then we're going to click the actual, we'll click OK first. Then we'll go back to Edit Recipient List, and this time we're going to click Find Recipient List, and we're going to type in Granton, and then choose Find Next. And it's right here, so we can cancel out of here. Now, in order to edit, to make a change here, we can't change it. We have to actually click the data source so that we're selecting it, and then we can choose Edit. If you've lost it, you can click Find again and locate it in this place as well. Find Next. There it is. So instead of Granton, they want San Francisco. And then we'll double check to make sure that Becky Murphy has the new location, San Francisco. And then click OK. It's going to ask you to save. Yes. And OK. All right. In the very first one, go ahead and select Address Block. And that's the layout we want, our samples. You can flip through them to check them out. Click OK. Now, address box now is in the first one, but it needs to be in all of them. So just click Update Labels. Then click Preview Results. And there you have your sheet of labels. And there's Becky Murphy, San Francisco. So go ahead and finish merge. Edit individual documents, all, and OK. This is the one that you save as Word Workshop Labels US Zip Merge, and submit. Thank you.